I realized, like, I've been in this industry for so long. I was like, what are some things I want to do that are maybe accessible to me that I could manifest? And that was one of them.
Seb! Seb!
Of course. I can't believe it. One more all the way left. Mr. Baker, straight ahead. All the way left. Straight ahead, please. Martha, right here, please. Straight ahead. Right here, please. Like my dress?
And I was up for the challenge, and I accepted it, and I worked toward it, and I accomplished it, and who knew that the response would be so vast and exciting.
Right down here like that.
Breaking barriers is a good thing, and showing people new opportunities is also a great thing, and that's what it's all about. I asked my daughter, Alexis, she said cool. And she gave me some of her old bathing suits to try on. My daddy said, when I was about 12, Martha, if you work hard enough, you can do anything. And guess what? He's right.
Never the most confident person on the stage. That kind of gives me like that confidence when I sing songs because it's kind of a different persona for me. So I was a little hesitant and I was a little like, I don't know if I can do that, be in a swimsuit and like.
I think everybody deserves to find their happiness and live their lives however they want to live it, if they don't hurt anyone. And that's just something that's extremely important to me. I believe in equality. I believe everyone's worth the exact same and deserves to be respected. And yeah, that's something I've always cared about, and I'll continue caring about.
Ladies, together this way, please.
Well, I think the story sometimes of just like being transgender sometimes overshadowed the music, and people were putting limits on where I can go and if I can have a hit or a Grammy or all of these things. And at the end of the day, all of those people were wrong, and you can do whatever you want if you just work really hard and you become really, really good at something. If you just believe in yourself and you keep going, it doesn't matter who you are, where you're from, or what your gender identity is. You know, you can achieve anything you want to, and that's yeah, I just want to keep proving that.
Well, I mean, every year we want to try and keep the conversation going. You know, nothing we do is ever based on tokenism. You know, we want it to be consistent. We want the conversation to keep going. And so, you know, leading with what we hopefully typically are bringing to everyone the last 10 years, we want to have very important conversations about what inclusion looks like, what it means to be a woman, having you know, giving examples for women to see themselves represented on a major magazine and major media is really important to us.
Brooks to Martha to Megan to Kim, they've all fought very hard to get where they're at, you know, and they've all had different circumstances.
It all started with her thirst trap photo, honestly. I saw that picture of her coming out of her pool in Bedford just like a bazillion other people did, and I was really struck by it. I thought she looked amazing. I loved that she was out there and just like, you know what, I look good. I'm going to post this picture. I feel good. I don't care what you think about me. I don't care if you think I'm Martha Stewart, you know, that is, you know, the lifestyle guru, but I feel sexy. I like this photo, so I'm going to share it. And I was like, you know what, that's the type of person that we need to be seeing more of. And I was like, I got to have her. I have to have her do this issue, and I hope she says yes.
Surreal. I never expected it, honestly, and it's a real treat. And it's also happening at the same time. Season 2 of Taste the Nation has just come out. I'm happy to be part of it. You know, I think it feels good to be appreciated. Also, for my body at this age, I think it's more important in a different way now, but I can also put it in perspective, and I don't think I would have been asked to do it if it was just about how I look like, because if that was the case, I would have done it 20 years ago.
Yeah, if we can, but... Hey, Rob, is this the year the Jets turn it around?
Yeah, they'll make the playoffs.